Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one list in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project, also like enjoying all the previous projects in Java which I have just covered up. So in this project I'll be showing you how to make a simple list, like list of like drop down list, you can say, like that list we will be just seeing how to build. I will just only see you like one navbar I will show you, and in that I will just make many of the drop down list, and I will show you how to just make that drop down list in Java. Because when we are just making any navbar and with drop down, so we just make only in React or HTML and CSS when we are just making website. But if you have no, we can also make it in Java by using the layout of that. So here I'll be showing you how to build that, and it will be just really helpful project for you. And this is an intermediate level project. Here you can just check my beginner courses first of all, then move to intermediate, because beginner are just easy. From intermediate, if you directly move to intermediate, if you are a beginner programmer of Java, so it will be really difficulty for you to understand Java. So please, my opinion is to check first of all beginner courses, then move to intermediate. And I will be also uploading one Java tutorial in which I will be telling you all the things till start to end, and I hope you'll be enjoying that video also, and I'll be uploading it soon. Like I've telling previously also, I'm just uploading these all videos, and in the soon I will be uploading that video also, which should be really helpful for you. And if this video is really learning for you and you are learning more than enough things from that, so please hit a like to this video. And if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button on my channel, because it's motivate me to do more hard work and make more videos like that for you in future, in which you can learn more things. And also share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn what is programming, and they can also learn many of the coding and programming languages, which should be really helpful for them also in future. And they can also land a job in the future if they just covered up these programming language. And you can also check my previous courses of Django, Python, and the Python videos which I have uploaded at the starting. You can check my HTML and CSS course also, and my Bootstrap course which I have uploaded in the starting, because that is also really helpful for a beginner if you want to start your coding or programming life. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building one drop down list here in Java, which should be just really helpful for you. But before starting the project, I want to show you my drop down list, how we'll be just building and how it will be looking just in the end. So you can see there it is, one navigation bar we are just getting here, and here this is one website, you can say I've opened in Google Chrome, in which you can say W3 schools, you can see at the top it is just here. So this is W3 school website, in which I will be writing my all the codes here, and then here where I will be just writing all the codes, and I will be just running this drop down list here. You can see we are just getting our drop down menu. So we will be linking this with our Visual Studio Code. I will be showing you how to link this and how to run your app in here. So just you have to do one thing now, starting the project, just you have to move that here. And now here when you're done with that whole thing, just you have to do nothing, move down here. Here I will be doing one thing, I will be opening my VS Code, because here you can see we are just getting a variable drop down list here. Here we are just getting link 1, link 2 and link 3, in which we are getting our effect here also. But this you can say simple menu bar, but this is having a drop down list. You can take that to many of them, like you can make after it many of drop down list, give any other name, and you can make their drop down with hover effect. So here just I'll be opening my VS Code to starting this project. Simply opening VS Code, I will be just opened. So when you have just opened, it will be take some time to just open it, and you can just also install that from Google. Just you have to write VS Code, and the first link will be just coming to install that. And here you can see my VS Code has been installed, or you can say it has been just opened. Here I'll be taking new file, then I'll be saving that with the name of script.js. And because we are just building a Java, we are saving one Java file, and we have to first of all give the name to our Java file, then we have to just save it with the name. And after that you have to write .js, which is really important to write. Here I will be zoom in, so you can just see my codes which I am writing here. Then I will be first of all writing some of the codes, like here you have to write div last name equals to health. Then you have to close this tag now. Then I will be just moving down. Here I will be writing navbar node equals to map. So here I will be writing, close this tag here. Then I will be making this you can say curly bracket. Here I will be writing navbar dot node dot map. Then you have to just close this now. Then I will be just moving down. Here I will be writing signal, then I will be writing element. So make that here element equals to, here I will be changing that to script. Then I will be closing this tag again and making this curly bracket, in which I will be writing like signal, because here we have to write same things which we have written here. Then here I will be writing script, and here I'll be closing this tag. Now when I'm done with that, here I will be just moving down. Then I will be just writing a tag which should be like controller. So just write that to like controller word equals to element. Then close this tag now. Then I will be just writing that to controller here. Write dot word, and here I will be changing that to dot element. Just now you have to close this tag. Here when you've done with that all things, just move down now. Then I will be changing that to a tag which should be like object. Here I will be writing that to print equals to, then I will be writing that to name. Here I will be closing this tag. Then I will be just writing that to object dot print. Here I will be writing dot, and then after it I'll be writing name. Here when you've done that, just I'll be now moving forward here. Then I will be just moving down, and when you've done that, here I will be just making this tag again. Then I will be writing that to like range error, and here I will be writing effect. Then just close this, and here I will be writing that to like range dot error. Then I'll be writing dot effect. Then when you just close this tag, here move forward, and here I will be just moving down by pressing enter. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like analysis. So just write here analysis, and then I will be changing that to like analyzer. So right here like that. Then you have to just write equals to, and write here a tag which will be just like here terminal. Then just I'll be writing same text, like I'll be repeating that. So right here analysis dot analyzer dot terminal. You can see we have done that. Here I'll be closing this curly bracket. Now when you've done that, here I'll be writing animate event equals to, then change that to a tag which will be just like here selection. Then after I close this and make curly bracket and write same things which you have written in these tag here. Then write here event. Just you have to remember like this tag which we are writing at the starting, like these three things which we are writing in the starting, and then these three things in the curly bracket should be just same like these three things. Okay, so just you have to remember these three things and these three tags which I am just writing here. Now you have to change that to a tag which should be like playback equals to entry. Then here I will be just closing this tag, now making this curly bracket in which I will be writing play.back dot entry. Here I will be just closing this, and then I will be just moving forward and moving down. Here I will be writing array. Then I will be just writing that to unit, and then equals to, here I will be writing same array. Then I will be just changing that to array dot unit, and just right here array dot unit dot array same. Then I will be closing this tag. When you've done that, here I will be writing number. Then to change that to a tag which should be like added equals to file. Close this now. Then I will be writing number dot added. Here I will be writing dot file. Close this tag now. Then when you've done with that all things, just move down again. Here I will be writing the same thing like param. Then right here mode equals to. Then I will be writing here a tag which will be just like here go, or you can say run. I will be writing. Then I will be writing that to like param dot mode dot run. Okay, so right here close this tag now. Then I will be just moving down. Here I will be changing that to a tag which will be like context web. Then here I will be writing website. Just close this now. Then make that to like context dot web dot website. Close this tag here again. Then I will be just moving forward. Here I will be writing that to like script scroll equals to use. Close this now. Make that to script dot scroll same, and then write dot use. Then close this tag from here. Now when you've done with that, here I will be just moving down same. Then I will be changing that to like ADR editor. Then I will be just writing audio equals to sound. Now just you have to repeat same things here also. So here I will be writing audio dot sound and close this tag. Now you have to do one thing, right here audio sound equals to, then change that to a tag which will be like JS. Here I will be writing audio, then I will be changing that to dot sound dot JS. Means I will be also seeing my audio. Now I have to just listen my audio also. So because of that I am writing this audio tag. Now we have to link our W3 schools which we are writing, because now we have made our drop down list successfully. So here I will be linking my like you can say my W3 school, so I can just see my layout in that. So here I will be writing link token. Token means like you are giving the token to link this. Okay, so token, like you all know what is it, like when you go in any of ride, or in any of parks. So when you are taking a ride, so security asks you to just give the token, and then you give money and they give token to you, then you just go and take a ride. So like that we have to take token from W3 schools also, so we can just enter in that. Okay, so here I'll be writing link token and what token you have to take. So here I will be just writing token W3 school, because we are just building and we are building our drop down in that, so we have to take the token of W3 schools. Like when you go and you take the token, so you take token of any ride, like you give the name, like you want to ride a like bicycle, so you will be giving the token of bicycle. So like that we are giving the token of W3 schools. Now I'll be simply defining these three things again, means repeating these three things. And just when you've done that, here you have to simply close that and just save smile. And if I show you in the Google Groups, our project should be just ready if I open it. So you can see that here it is, our drop down list, simple drop down list which we are just getting here. And here if I just open, you can see you have to open your W3 schools from your website here or from your Google Chrome, then you will be getting your this layout. You can see we are just getting two same name, one like in the demo we are getting, in which we are just getting right you can say red hover effect. Then when I'm just moving to drop down, so we are just getting a drop down in which we are just getting red hover effect, and down we are just getting link 1, link 2, link 3, like these all things. And there it is also written drop down menu inside an app, but I have not written that. I've only make this thing because it automatically just written here, because W3 schools also just give these advanced things also in that, like what thing you have made, it will be writing over here. You can see successfully we have made that. So I hope you understand how to build this, and I hope you also enjoy this project. If you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button because it will really motivate me. So here just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.